Hi everyone. Today we'll be making this Christmas wreath uh, with watercolor, and as you can see, we'll be making these poinsettias with some leaves and branches. I'm going to use this Canson Aquarelle watercolor A4 sheets. This is 300 GSM, and it has slight texture, and we'll be making these. So we'll be using the Sennelier watercolor pan set. We'll be using this, and majorly we'll be using red, greens, and a bit of brown. And we'll be using this brush, which is S66. It's a long round brush, so we'll be using this. I've used just a single brush for the whole painting, so in case you require a little fine liners or something like that, so you can use that as well. So let's go ahead and start painting.